1.41. So both are in minus. So both has to fight, right? But if red team has to win, they also have to win with a better margin.
What is the conclusion?
Yellow is out. अरे जो आपने मैच में जीते हो ना उसको मैच में छह है ना छह दिखी या कुछ मैच के
कोई है ही नहीं, सब निकल गए, मैं भी निकल गया।
Alright, this is the last sealing match between the red and blue teams. Whomsoever will win this match, they will go to the next finale. There is a caveat of 100. So red team has to go. They have to win and win by the decent margin. So all the very best to both the teams. Black has already secured their place in the grand finale.
So, Alok, I think the tournament is really maturing very well right now as we are inching closer towards the finals. I think we should all be very excited and looking forward to the finals because we have the best players now inching up towards the finals. So, we're really looking forward to it.
Absolutely right, Jayita. It does not mean the game is over. The game is still on. And cricket is, as I said, it's a game of uncertainty. We will have an exciting match between red and blue now. But I'm sure we have a super exciting match in the grand finale.
Yeah, absolutely. You're right, Alok, because the cricket is all about comebacks. The way we have seen the yellow team come back in the last to last match was fascinating. It was really commendable. So we are looking forward to some very great cricket coming up now till the finals.
And we also see the strong Nari Shakti on the ground. Diana is bowling to Sindhu. And we are also hearing Jaita, who is doing commentary and supporting me now.
Yeah, that's fantastic. I didn't realize that. Thank you, Alok.
Thank you. Cheers to all the ladies and of course all the gentlemen.
But that time also they booked Sunday. Now we should do cricket twice a year. एक बार नवंबर दिसंबर में करना चाहिए. हाँ. Family friend नहीं, nephew है, bigger nephew है. हाँ. He is still very much a part of our movie distribution business. अभी जो कांस में जो हमारा पार्टी होता है, इवेंट होता है ना, संजय को कर गई हो. हाँ तो क्या बोला उन्होंने? हार मतलब हार में किधर खाना तो बनाने देते आप उनको वैसे ही किए हुए हाँ
दूसरा में क्या है? You also do na? We'll do it together.
We have Akshay, the captain of the team.
कौन है बैटिंग में? अमित and सतपाल.
Akshay to Amit. This is the second over. It's a power over. Remember, this is a power over. We call it double dhamal. Whatever you'll make it, you will get 2x.
It's a miss by the keeper.
Misfielding by the wicket keeper.
आलोक वैसे कीपर ऐसे फील्डिंग नहीं करते. ही इज एन MS धोनी फॉर ब्लू रॉकस्टार्स.
Yes.
ही इज द MS धोनी फॉर द टीम. Satpal on strike.
All the very best to both the teams. It's in the air.
Shot.
Let's see if Fielder is around. Dikshant is here.
And it's a 4.
The ball wants to come and meet me.
A little close. Absolutely, Alok.
Oh, what was that?
Well left by Vishal.
A good shot, fielder is around, call for 1 run. They have to remain happy with 1 run. Well running between the wicket.
A tight over by Dikshant. Not even a single boundary conceded.
It's in the air. It's a 4 run.
Oh,
It's a choker.
commentator's curse. Dikshant bowling. A slower ball. Wide signal by the umpire. A swing and a miss. It's a wide called by the umpire. Dikshant with his new
It's a wide ball.
wide ball.
Reds are very happy with the wide because you get free runs.
दीक्षांत थोड़ा कंफ्यूज लग रहे हैं वाइड क्यों दिया वो
It's a full toss.
You know, Alok, I would like to say something that in today's match, one very big role played by the wicket keepers of every team. We keep commending the batsmen and the bowlers that they have batted well and bowled well and all of that, the fielders. But really great credit goes also to the wicket keepers who have done so well wicket keeping. I mean, I'm really very impressed and congratulations to all of them right away.
Absolutely right, Joyita. Congratulations to all the players and including the wicket keepers. Typically, we remember how many runs and wickets you have taken, but yes, the contribution of wicket keeper is important. In the morning, we have seen the senior members also were doing wonderful wicket keeping. Now we are also seeing younger and exciting members also doing wonderful job. Cheers to all the players.
Who's the bowler? Yeah, bowler.
Ajit C is written Ajit over there. Now this over there. Satyavan.
Satyavan has the ball and we have a new commentator here Joyita in the house.
Well, Joyita has been pitching in on and off. Yeah, it's been a fantastic day today. Bright and sunny and everybody's in a very good mood. Satyavan bowling. Oh, fantastic. What a shot.
By Vishal.
Vishal. Mari daloge, Vishal.
What a shot, Vishal. What a shot. It was a good length ball. Same to same, back to back replay. It's a Hinduja Premier League sixer. What do you think, Joyita, of the current batting by Vishal?
Oh, Fantastic, fantastic. He's really kept up the tempo of the game so well, and he's ensuring that there is no lag at any point and trying very hard. Fantastic game.
Can we see a hat trick of sixes by
Well,
Vishal?
let's hope so. Well played. Now Sachin comes to bat.
It's a swing and a miss.
Fantastic shot.
It's in the air.
Lifted up in the air. Let's see. Yes,
It's a catch.
yes. Well caught by Akshay.
Fantastic catch by Akshay. Very safe.
Despite the fact that we always say that no, this is more for fun than for anything else, but he's got a good balance of fun and seriousness that he brings into the game. And thank you so much for this, Sanjay.
Chandan, na? Chandan bowling. And pehla ball pe chauka by Sanjay. Can we have music, please? A dot ball. And it's a chance.
Oh!
Missed by Mithun. It's an overthrow. Batsman running for the second.
Keep running.
It's a third.
Mr. Johnny Walker kept walking, but y'all keep running.
Good running by the batsman. As I said, both are explosive batsmen on the field. It's
Whoa!
raining sixes. Six
What a shot!
by Vishal. What a shot by Vishal. As I said, Joyita, both are explosive batsmen on the field. You can expect raining sixes now.
Absolutely, Mehul.
It's in the air and four. What a shot by Vishal.
I think both the teams are giving it their best to get a berth in the finals, the blue and the red.
Shot by Vishal. Good fielding by Dipesh. Sanjay putting pressure on the field. What do you think about the score, Joyita?
Well,
It's-
definitely, it's looking to get to a formidable number now.
It's 5 over 69 runs. Last over remaining. Akshay is having a chat with Bhushan.
I think the Reds will very well go over 80, 85, and so that should be a good fight that the Blues have to put up with.
Definitely. The Dhurandhar batting that Vishal is doing currently. 80 is really doable. Bhushan bowling.
There's some more discussion happening between the batsmen.
Akshay is giving trial bowling to all the bowlers. I think he's checking. It's a very lagan movement. Akshay, the captain of the blue team. A lagan movement for Akshay.
Yeah, he's walking quite in great confidence.
Vishal on strike. Yeah, it's the last over. A swing and a miss. It's a wide. Akshay has put all his money on the bowler. It's a no ball. Joyita, we'll see after this over. Did Akshay made the right choice or not?
Yes.
The blue team seems to be tired, little bit tired in the field.
You guys are doing a great job.
Great shot by Vishal.
That's fantastic.
Fantastic ball.
Last over going, 75 runs, 2 wickets.
Good shot by
Boundary.
Vishal. A 4. Can we have the music, please?
Hinduja sixer. That's what callers.
A wide ball.
It looks
once
like
again.
someone is under pressure. It's a white ball. White gives you another free one run.
The blue team are under pressure.
Since morning, we have seen the 92 as the highest target. Let's see where we'll reach today.
Definitely Alok will. I think the red team can cross 100.
Do you think we'll be able to touch a ton?
Vishal is looking in great touch.
All the very best to Vishal. All the very best to everyone.
2 balls remaining by Vishal. 12 runs required for 100. It's a 6!
It's a sixer goal. Hinduja super sixer.
What an innings by Vishal! He had destroyed the blue team.
It's close the 100 run for today. Excellent batting by both the teams. One zero seven.
What do you think, Alok? What a great innings by
We have seen the wonderful and exciting match now.
Good ball by Sindhu. It's a shot and Akshay said no. Amazing shot by Diana and set drop. Good shot by Diana once again. And it's a drop. Akshay is not saying for singles. I think he wants strike for the next super over.
The next over is super over. It's called double dhamal over.
It's a double dhamal over. Runs will be double. Akshay wanted strikes. So he said no for the most of the runs. Dikshant and Akshay, both big hitters on the field. Dikshant taking the non-strike. We have both the vice captain and team Sandhu, Simon, Nitin together setting the field. Dikshant taking the non-strike. He's a big hitter. Alok, I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. What do you say, Mehul? How exciting the match is.
Sandeep is the bowler.
Bowler name is Sandeep. Captain of the team Akshay on the strike. He has a huge responsibility.
Yes, he has the huge responsibility. 107 the target on the score.
It means almost 17-18 runs per over. More than that.
It's a loose ball. It's a no ball. It's a free hit for Akshay.
It's a free hit. Thanks to no ball.
What do you think, Alok? Will it be costly?
It's a free hit in a super power over.
Exactly. It's a wide.
It's a wide ball. A wide ball on a free hit in a super power over.
Let's see. Will it be costly or not? A wide
It's a
ball.
wide ball.
Again, it continues. I think the pressure is going on the red champions now.
No.
I think, Alok, the entry of Akshay Gaikwad had put the pressure on the red champions.
Absolutely. There's a pressure on both the sides. Nothing is easy in cricket. Sandeep to Akshay.
And it was a free hit. Running for two.
If you run for two, you will get four. That's the beauty of the power over.
I think the red champions got tired. And it's in the air. Arvind under it. Oh, and it's a bad throw.
It's a lifeline to
It's a
Akshay.
lifeline to Akshay. It was in the air. Akshay doesn't give much chances, Alok. It, it will be very costly. I'm telling you, Alok. Change in the field. Arvind coming inside the circle. Priyam coming outside. What do you think, Alok? It's a lifeline for Akshay.
It's a lifeline for Akshay, but it's a trouble lifeline for the other team. In cricket,
And fourth,
it's good fielding,
Good
very good fielding.
Dikshant Rana on strike.
Ranaji on the strike.
Ranaji on strike.
It's again white ball. Despite of giving a tough, big, large target, looks like red is also under equal pressure. So many whites are indicating that.
Dikshant in the air.
Score I will check. I also have
Dikshant
to
is
check.
rotating the strike. He's giving the strike to Akshay. Alok, despite Vishal's innings, what do you think about the first of the second over?
See, if you notice, the last inning, till 5 over, the match was doing decent. Almost 40 plus runs went in the last over, which was very expensive to them. It's a wide.
Yes, absolutely right, Alok. 42 overs in the last.
42 runs in a one single over. It's a huge, huge number. Oh,
Again, a lifeline for Akshay. I mean, the luck favors the wave.
scorer, can you score, please?
Again, it's an edge. A decent over by Sandeep.
After 2 over, the score is, scorer, can you please update the score?
22 runs. 2 overs. And Alok, the standings are such that whichever team wins will go directly into the finals. Against the
Looks
Black
like
Panthers.
yes, whomsoever is winning the match is directly going to the finale. Black Panther has already made their place in the finale. Now it's the fate of red and blue who will go to the finale. But there is also something called run rate of the match that may also come into picture. The margins are not huge.
Some changes in the field.
Priyam
Priyam has the ball.
to Dikshant Rana.
I mean, Dikshant is a big hitter. Hence, taking time to set the field.
Of course, he's a strategy guy. I'm sure he will take his own time. Priyam did a wonderful bowling in the morning matches.
Yes, against the Black Panthers. A great shot by Dikshant. And it's a 4. As I said, Alok, he's a big hitter.
राणा जी ने बता दिया कि वो आ गए हैं मैदान में.
The next player is Ajit. "27 runs on the board for the loss of 1 wicket. A good catch by Rajesh K. We have a left hand, right hand batting combination on the ground, Alok. It's in the air. Priyam coming under it. And it's a
Excellent
wicket.
bowling and fielding by Priyam.
Priyam on hat-trick. What a catch by Priyam.
Brilliant, sir. You said you are Jaunty Rods in the team. We have many Jaunty Rods here, sir.
We have so many Jaunty Rods in our team. The next batsman is Mithun.
Next
Look, I'm
is
telling you,
Mithun.
he is also a big power hitter. I think there is some confusion.
Umpire said it, not out. Hold on.
The red champions
Let's
have
undo.
celebrated already.
Let's undo our action. It's not out. It's not out.
Called not out by the umpire. Umpire call is the final call. A lot of drama on the field. Mithun has to come back.
See, umpire decision is final decision. No more arguments.
There is some confusion on the field. Unfortunately, we don't have DRS to check whether it was a fair catch or not.
Akshay and Ajit.
It's a great sportsmanship by Priyam. It was a drop catch and he admitted it. Great sportsmanship by Priyam. Brownie points. Akshay on the crease. And it's in the air. Above the head of the fielder. 4 runs for Akshay. Can we have music, please?
I'm losing it.
Alok, what do you think? It's a captain's innings by Akshay.
Yes, Akshay is a consistent player since last 3 seasons. He's also a player who has been auctioned at a higher price. Till the time he is on the crease, there is a high hope for the blue team.
Good ball by Priyam. In the block hole.
this game.
Bowler will be under a lot of pressure because Akshay would want to hit every ball. Full toss and it's a
The
sixer.
sixer.
It didn't go through the goalpost. It's a six.
It's
by
a six
Akshay.
run.
And it's in the air. The keeper is under it. And it's a
It's a
wicket.
goal. It's a big
It's a
wicket.
big wicket for the next champion. And it's a very important wicket.
Shashank, come here, please. Shashank.
Well left by Mithun. Oh, it's a chance. Oh, and it's a miss. It's a white ball. The blue team has to score 102 and more to qualify for the finals. The blue team has to score 102 or more to qualify for the finals. Alok, we have a new Harbhajan Singh in the field from the red team.
We have seen Jonty Watts, we have seen Harbhajan Singh. So now for the blue team, it's important to have 4s and 6. The singles and doubles won't help you.
It was a full toss but missed by the batsman. In the air. Priyam under the ball and good collect. A very good over by Sachin. Very good over by Sachin. What do you think, Alok?
15 runs, yes, it was tight over. It was tight over.
At such a stage, change in the field.
See, 40-45 runs in few balls is a cube.
And it's a signal. Mithun is confused. But it's a ball.
It's not a wild ball, it's a ball. So over is over. We have only lost over. Shashank.
Would request. It's the last over. And a big discussion by the red team. Captain and vice captain deciding their strategy for the last over. We have Rajesh for the last over. And Ajit on strike.
Anil, are you there? Cameraman, if you're around, can you please come? Cameraman, in case you're around, please come. Mr. Anil, in case you're around, please come.
Cameraman, can you come at the logo board? We are gonna have the toss for the final match. Swing and a miss. Good shot by Ajit. It's a 4. A very good shot by Ajit. It's a swing and a miss. A very good over by Rajesh. A dot ball. The red champions are closing towards the win. A dot ball once again. The red champions are pumped up. The fielders are already celebrating. Sanjay is already celebrating. We have his happy
Who will
dance.
call?
Sanjay dance.
Tells. You chose to field.
It's in the air. And it's a 6. And the red champions are in the finals.